Morning, Ryan. So before we start with our discussion, can you please pick up the pieces of dirt under your chairs? And also arrange your chairs properly. Then please stand and let's have a prayer first. Miss Damitano, can you please say the prayer? Confirm. Name, Father, Son, and Holy Spirit. Amen. Please be seated. So now I will be checking your attendance. Miss San Antonio, is there none present? Okay, very good. There's no absent for today. So now let's have our discussion. So our discussion is all about table setting arrangement. So before we start, so today we are going to tackle about the table setting arrangement. So before we start, allow me to introduce myself. I am teacher Geraldine Gonzalez Sobero. You can call me Geraldine, yes, of course. Then our learning objectives. So for our learning objectives for today, first explain the basic principle of table setting placement, including the proper placement of the utensils, plates, glasses, and napkins. Second, differentiate the correct and incorrect table setting arrangement. And the third one, relate the table setting arrangement based on the standard criteria and justified choice. Next. So before we start with our discussion, let's have first a energizer or activity. So I will show you a picture of table setting arrangement. Then what you're going to do is to share your observation. What observations did you find with this visual picture? Anyone? Mr. Na, can you please tell me about your observation? What observations did you find?
So I have observed there's people knocking holding, and it is very organized, and they will set up very organized.
Very good. So thank you, Mr. Nan, for your observation. So in this picture, as you can see, or as I said of Mr. Nan, nasa maayos yung arrangement ng table. Of course, yung mga plates, yung utensils, the glasses, and of course, the napkins. So, very good, Mr. Nan, for your observation. Next, so, when you hear the words table setting arrangement, what comes in your mind? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Nan.
So for me po, table setting arrangements, yung pumapasok po sa mind ko is pag-arrange po ng table, also the different table napkins po na gagamitin sa kada table, and also the different utensils and placemat po.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Mr. Nal. So, when you hear the word table setting arrangement, it is focused about the arrangement of the table when it comes to dining area. Kasi, ito, yung arrangement, kumbaga, nagpapakita siya ng proper arrangement of like utensils, like yung glasses, saan ba nilalagay na area, yung fork and also yung spoon. Next, so let's now focus with our introduction. Table setting is an essential part of dining that reflects organization, cleanliness, and attention to detail. It involves arranging tableware such as plates, utensils, glasses, and napkins in a proper and systematic way before serving food. A well-prepared table not only enhances the dining experience, but also shows professionalism, especially in the hospitality industry. Different types of table setting are used depending on the occasion, such as informal dining, formal events and special gatherings. So when you say table setting arrangement, pinapakita dito yung orderliness, cleanliness, and professional ng restaurant. Kasi as you can see, na para siyang proper na nilalagyan mo muna ng mga design at inaayos mo na proper placement yung mga utensils and yung mga glasses na kailangan sa pagkain. Then, also, so pag sinabi natin na table setting arrangement, kumbaga is naka-focus siya sa orderliness, cleanliness, and professional ng industry. Na ang ibig sabihin, inaayos dito yung mga, like, saan ba nilalagay yung mga proper placement ng mga utensils, yung glasses, yung spoon, yung napkins, and also yung plates. So, dito din, may iba't ibang uri ng table setting. It depends on the occasion. Like for example, yung mga na kung saan is yung theme ng like for example, sa birthday, di ba? Kapag nag-arrange tayo ng table, as pinagpaparehan natin kung ano yung theme ng occasion. Then also, next, importance of table setting arrangement. Table setting arrangement are important because they help make dining organized. Diba, sinabi ko na nakakatulong ito para makaayos yung kalinisan and also yung comfortable na habang kumakain yung mga customer. When a table is properly set, everyone knows where to find the utensils. So, mas madali sa kanila na hanapin kung ano yung gagamitin nila kapag kakain sila. Then, which makes eating easier and more enjoyable. Mas madali sa kanilang hanapin and also na-enjoy nila kasi malinis yung area na pinagkakain nila. It also shows good manners and etiquette, especially when receiving guests. A well-set table reflects care, respect, and hospitality toward the people who will be eating. So, kapag napansin natin na malinis yung area ng table, kumbaga napapansin natin as a, like for example, as a workers doon sa dining, nakikita natin na yung customer, nakakakain sila ng maayos and also na-enjoy nila yung food. In addition, table setting helps maintain cleanliness and orderliness and also makes serving and getting food more efficient. So, mas napapabilis yung serve ng food kapag yung area natin is maayos and also create a pleasant and attractive dining experience. So, kapag malinis yung table mo, mas naging attractive yung atmosphere na nasa area mo, nasa paligid. And also, reduce confusion during meals. So, naiiwasan yung kalituhan ng customer kapag hahanapin nila yung mga like yung spoon, yung utensils. Then next, proper placement of table setting. First is plate. So, yung plate is, yung placement niya is makikita sa dapat nasa at the center siya ng table. Then, place the fork on the left side of the plate. Then spoon, place the spoon on the right side of the plate. Then knife, if needed, we need to place the knife on the right side of the plate beside the spoon. Then plate should be faced to the plate. Then napkin, place the napkin on the left side of the board on the top of the plate. And also, glass, place the glasses on the upper right side of the plate. Then I will show you an example picture. So, as you can see, the fork is in the left side, then the spoon at the right side. So, the dessert spoon and fork at the top, the plates at the center, the bread knife and the bread plate is the upper side of the left. Then the glass is on the upper side of the right side. Pwede din siyang paslan, pero dapat naka-arrange siya. Then next, I will show you an instructional video kung paano i-arrange yung mga plates, utensils, something like that. Then, after that, I will ask you what did you observe or ano yung na-observe yung proper placement. So, here po. So, I will give you first the diagram. Then, you need to follow this in the video. Tingnan nyo kung may mga error kayo nakakita. So, this is the video. Please listen carefully and after that, I will ask questions.
Then start by placing the dinner plate at the center. If you're serving the first course like or salad, place the salad plate or soup bowl on top of the dinner plate. So placing the utensils in front of the sink. Forks on the left, knives and spoons on the right. Now start by placing the left and on the right side, place the dinner plate. Placing the left position is sharp or to be okay. If you're place the salad plate on the left and the salad knife right here. Is on the left, place the spoon on the right side. The right utensils, so yes, work from the outside in. The utensils on the plate. You get that?
Okay, that's all. In the video, what are the basic principles did you see? Anyone? Yes, Mr. Nan?
So, sa video po, yung mga basic principles po na nakita namin right dito is, for example po, itong mga fork, spoon, different classes, and also the dessert spoon and dessert fork, and bread plate and the butter knife, and the table napkin in the center of the
So, can you tell me, where is the correction placement of the knife?
According po sa video na napanood namin, yung, for example po, daliri to be either done, so dapat yung daliri is nakaharap po siya sa plate.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much, Mr. Nan.
Good morning, class. So today, allow me to introduce myself. I am teacher Giancarlo Castellamun. You can call me teacher Carlo. So today, let's proceed to the table settings arrangement. So table settings arrangement refers to the proper and systematic way of placing dining items such as plate, utensils, and glasses. So on the table before serving food, it's how to create a clean and organized and attractive dining environment. Proper table settings also show good manners, professionalism, and respect for the guests while making the dining experience more comfortable and enjoyable for everyone. So, when we say table settings arrangement, ito yung mga settings na nagpapakita sa mga guests natin in how to properly clean when it comes to use the glasses, utensils, and other attractive dining environments. So, now let's proceed to the basics principle of settings placement. So first is we have the orderly placement. So, yung orderly placement is means all utensil placed, glasses and napkins are placed their proper position. So, hindi dapat tayo maglagay sa table na hindi doon nakalagay. When we say orderly placement, dapat sa paglagay ng mga placement sa table natin dapat naka-organize siya and dapat masunod natin yung kung saan talaga dapat siya ilagay. The next one is the balance. So, when we say balance and symmetry, ito yung, for example, sa kabilang side is minus space and dito is wala. Dapat, kung ano yung nasa kabilang space, dun din yung nasa right. Kasi, para mabalance natin kung saan nga ba siya nagtuna. The next one is the cleanliness. So, means all materials are clean, polished, and free from dirt. For example, magsaserve tayo ng wine glass and make sure na dapat yung glass is wala siyang bakit na kahit may mga tubig. Dapat iserve natin, dapat naka-clean. The next one is the functionality. So, means the arrangement should be easy and convenient to use during dining. The next one is the consistency, means all table settings should have the same arrangement, and the accessibility means utensil and glasses should be easy to reach. So, when it comes to the consistency, dapat yung pag-arrange natin is dapat naka-organize and malinis. So, now let's proceed. So, why do we need to follow this principle in the table settings? Anyone in class? Yes, Miss San Antonio.
So, we need to follow this principle in table setting because kapag di properly arranged yung table setup, di maganda sa customer or sa diner yung table setup kung hindi properly arranged yung mga utensils, and also the table.
Okay, very good. So, when it comes to the principle, dapat yung mga utensil and mga inilalagay natin sa table is dapat naka-organize and clean para yung mga guests natin is ma-attract sila sa kanilang settings. So, now let's proceed to the identification error. So now I have here the two pictures here. Then identify the correct placement and correct them. So anyone who can justify your answer about the incorrect this table settings arrangement. Yes, Miss San Antonio.
So here in the two pictures, the incorrect picture is here on the right side because the placement of the dinner fork it should be on the left side.
Yes. Okay, that is correct. Thank you, Miss San Antonio. So this picture is incorrect because yung dinner fork is dapat nasa left side and yung dinner knife is dapat nakaharap siya sa plate. And overall, this setting arrangement is correct. So now, let's proceed to the task 2. So, I have here the two picture and table setting arrangement. But this two picture is choose the best table settings arrangement and justify your answer. But before we start, I will read first the rubrics. So, correctness is 30%. Next is the personal presentation, up 20%. Next is the adherence and concept, it's 30%. And last is the visual appearance is 20%. The total of 100%. So now, anyone who can justify your answer about this two picture. This two picture is which is the best described the table settings arrangement. Yes, Miss Anthony.
So this picture shows the best table setting arrangement because the utensils are properly placed and properly aligned because the forks are on the right placement which is the left side, and also the knife, inner knife is the shallow of the bread, the inner knife is placing at the plate back. Then proper din po ang placement ng glass and ng napkin din. Then also meron din silang flower arrangement or centerpiece na nakalagay sa table.
Okay, thank you, Miss San Antonio. Thank you, Miss San Antonio. So now I will give you feedback about your presentation. So I will give you an 88 because based on your presentation, you are identified the correct and table setup arrangement. Congratulations. So now let's proceed to our conclusion for this morning. So table settings arrangement plays an important role in creating a pleasant and organized dining experience. Proper placement of tableware show not only good etiquette but also professionalism and attention to details. So by understanding the different types of table settings, we can adapt to various occasions with whether the informal and formal, as well arrange the table, enhance the overall atmosphere and make guests feel comfortable and value. So this topic is all about table settings. Because someday, if you want to apply pag-apply natin sa work, you can apply this table setting arrangement kasi ma-adapt natin ito in the futures. So again, do you have any question, clarification before we end our discussion for today? If none, thank you for your attention and actively participation. So, see you tomorrow and goodbye.